very, very stupid. What do you mean?
What? Come on, get out of here. What is wrong in asking you out? Just tell me. A commoner like myself, are you Queen of Budapest?
Anyways, I don't blame you. I don't blame you now. It's because me and you were working in this palace. That's why you have the right to open your mouth and say anything you want.
Chai! I have suffered in this palace. Just look at this Amoeba. You that should be thanking yourself that I'm toasting you. I just want to manage you. Do take a good look at yourself in the mirror and see how ugly you are.
See, let me tell you, the next time you will try this rubbish, I will not tell you what I will do to you until that day. See me. Look at me, ma. Look at me. I am here, waiting for the prince to come and talk to me. And you're here telling me rubbish. What do you try come on for this man?
Are you kidding me? Oh, you're waiting for the prince to come and talk to you, right? Wow, you have plans. Now let me tell you. So all these new recruits has plans. Wow. Most impressive. But I have bad news for you. Your plans will not work. QED.
Rubbish.
See this Amoeba. I'm just trying to manage you.
Look at me. Ma. I know fear. Let me see you talk to me again. If I see you talk to me again, what I will do to you, look at this man. With your empty pocket.
Oh, she's running. Let her run, oh, because I will definitely catch her and deal with her. She can only run. She can only run, but now hide from me. It's not possible. As for you, it is obvious you will never, ever in your life talk to me again in this house. Obegon.
If I might cool down, I'm your father. Oh. I'm your father.
You are whose
Calm
father?
down.
You are whose father? Again. Don't try call yourself my father again. I have disfathered you. I don't have a father. I have disowned you. I have abandoned you. I have left you behind. Don't call me your daughter again because no one will find a main.
I leave this matter. You know this.
Yes. In-law is here.
Oh!
In-law is here.
Cashew! Cashew! People kiss me. Nothing will happen.
Yeah, Jude.
Jude! Nobody will save him here.
Didn't you see me here, Jude?
Because they see you not getting me. See you need a going now. My baby only sees money and I. What if my baby to get me?
Leave her!
Hey, don't talk to my baby like that, baby. Let's go inside.
See, since we cannot do this in your presence, let's do it in your absence. Baby, let's go. What? My in-law?
Yeah? Where are you going to?
Are you not my friend again?
We are going inside.
You are my friend.
Is that my house?
Yes.
Come back! Hey! Yeah, if you are my, come back.
Ichie, can make him, Can make him, right? From one of him. Wait, let's go. Ichie,
baby!
Let's go.
Hey!
Holy Moses! My prince! How did you get here?
Oh, yeah, the door was open.
The door was open. And you just entered my room without a knock? My prince, that wasn't nice now. It's not good.
Come on, don't blame me. You don't even know what you're doing to me.
Yes. What am I doing to you?
I care so much about you. I can't even think well. Every time I'm thinking about you. Huh?
My prince.
No, listen to me. No woman has ever made me feel like this. See, I have so many women that want me. Everybody wants to lick me like a lollipop and everything. But it's you I want you.
With due respect, my prince, this is not why I'm here in the palace. I am here to work and not to do this. Besides, I had a very stressful day today and I need to rest. Please, just go.
I know.
Just go. My prince, you know this is just have to go. My prince. Oh, so I don't even know why I entered here. Mama.
she looking for in your room?
You gotta ask her that question. Don't put me in trouble here. Don't put me in trouble, my prince. I don't like what you're doing. Don't put me in trouble, oh. My prince, you have to leave. Wait, what just happened? You just have to leave.
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light. Nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Makani kukufa, aya foni kokuko no. Onya pona bachala nyano. Otiko nyentika, opolotika se. Otiko mumana, ifeti nuku na tinya mano. Mani kukufe, aya fofoni kokuko. Maka oku naga wangwa, manya wangwa na fukwano. Deni fimero mwegio. Otika, asege chingwaya, echena. Hey, opolotika siya. Hey,
okay, darling. I have to go before my absence is felt in my room.
That's fine, but I need some money.
Again?
What do you mean again? I just requested for some money. Listen, the people helping me take care of my business are stealing from me. That way, I don't have any profit.
But I told you to close that shop. Am I not paying you enough?
Really? I'm a man. I need to work hard. You think I like to work here? Please give me the money. I just need some money.
Okay, that's okay. How much do you need and what do you need the money for?
Don't ask me silly questions. Alright? Fine. My father had an accident and the doctor said he needs 5 million naira to do his surgery.
What?
Yes.
5 million naira? Look, where do you expect me to get that kind of money?
I know. I knew it would come to this. You can afford this money, you just don't want to give it to me. It's fine. Don't give me. All I know is I'll make sure my father doesn't die miserably.
It's okay, dear. I will see what I can do, okay? I have to go now.
The secret relationship going on. Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Gelegana so. Hey. I'm beginning to so.
My princess, what a surprise. Do you want me to do anything for you?
Yes. I want you to teach me how to make fried rice.
Eh?
Fried rice.
Sorry, if I heard you well, you said you want me to teach you how to make fried rice.
You heard me.
In my room? But my princess, that can be done downstairs in the kitchen.
Listen, this is my father's palace. Okay? So I can learn anything I want, anywhere that I want it. So start talking.
And my princess, the thing is, I've had a hectic day. Can we do this tomorrow? Huh?
Sure. But I'll spend the night here. With you.
What if your father and your mother see you here?
Listen, you worry too much. Nobody's coming. Come over. Stay here. Come on. Let's talk.
Igwe.
Agatha, what is it?
We need to talk. It is important.
What is it that we cannot talk tomorrow? As you can see, I'm very tired and already sleeping.
Igwe, this one cannot wait till tomorrow. It is very, very important. It's about Harry. I have cautioned him severally, but recently I saw him sneaking out from Maureen's room. Igwe, I am afraid. I don't want a repeat of what happened earlier.
I don't believe what you are telling me because I know Maureen cannot do such a thing.
Igwe, why are you always protecting that girl? And what makes you think that she cannot do that? Why?
Agatha, I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Igwe, I told you this from the beginning. I warned you against that girl. Against that girl coming to this palace to work. I did. Now see the result. I wonder where Harry got this he-goat behavior from. That girl must leave this palace. We need to do something. And real fast.
Do you mean this you told me now?
Igwe, I've said my own. I said we need to do something about this girl. She's leaving this palace at once.
Good morning, my princess. Good morning. No, don't worry. You're looking for Richard. Yeah, he's in the kitchen. Don't stress yourself. Oh, in the kitchen. It's okay, it's okay. Hey. What kind of atrocity is this? I didn't know I came to Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh. So many atrocities here. By this time, Princess is coming out from Richard's room looking for Richard. Secrets in care water. Hey! Into your hands I commit my spirit. But for this palace, I must conquer.
My king, you're hurting me. Let go.
How dare you? How dare you betray me? I hope you have not forgotten why you are here.
My king, honestly, this is not the right place to talk about this. Let's discuss this later, in a more safe place, please.
Maureen, I am highly disappointed in you. I felt slighted.
But why? It was just an accusation. I am innocent of everything. I haven't done anything, my king. Mama misunderstood the whole scenario.
Mama saw you too?
The thing is that she walked into the room where I was with Harry and then started thinking negatively. We weren't doing anything, my king. I am innocent.
Mama saw me last week sneaking out of your room.
What?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Igwe, she has to go.
She is going nowhere. After all, it's a misunderstanding between them.
I can't afford to have that girl living under the same roof with my son. We cannot afford any scandal in this palace again. I am protecting my family. That Maureen was a mistake. And if caution is not applied, Igwe, it will cost us dearly. She must go. She has to.
I said she is not going anywhere. Her services is still needed in this palace. She has a lot to offer to us. And that is why I'm returning her.
My king.
Yes, she is not going anywhere. Look at it. I am the one to give orders here. I am the one to say what will be done in this palace, and it will be done like that. No other person.
My king.
You have to go home. So I can go back and complete what I was doing at home. I'm going to finish up.
Go home? But I thought you were coming with me now.
Coming with you as what? As a little girl? You have to go home. Please.
Yeah, I cannot go home. See, I'm scared of my brother. My brother might kill me in that house. I'm scared of him. I can't go. No, I cannot go there.
He's your brother. He's not going to kill you. When you go home, just beg him. Beg him. He will not kill you. Oh
God, I cannot go. Please now, come with me. I can't go back to that place alone.
I can't come with you. Let me go and finish up what I was doing at home. Please, you have to go. He's not going to kill you.
I'm scared of my brother. I know what he can do.
Your brother will not kill you.
Oh God, you don't know him.
Me. He's not going to kill you. Beg him. If you beg him, he's your brother and he will pardon you.
Whatever you do in the dark, you must be exposed to in the light. Nothing is hidden under the sun. No. Makani kukufe, ayafoni kukukono. Onyapuna bachala nyano. Otiko nyentika, opelo tigasia. Otiko mumani, ifeti nupuna tenyamano. Mani kukufe, ayafoni kukukono. Maka okunaga.
I am not in a good frame of mind to guess anything now.
What is it? What's wrong?
It's Harry. He has started again. I caught him severally in Maureen's room.
Mom, that's not why you should be sad. Cheer up, he's a man.
Ada, isn't that enough reason to be worried? Eh? You know how he is with women. And you know what we went through the last time.
But Mom, you also know that Harry never takes any relationship seriously. He doesn't ever... Harry is not the type to be taken seriously. He probably just wants a fling. Let him have it.
At the expense of the palace. At the expense of the royal family. Eh? What if our enemies, try to set him up? What are we going to do? That girl must leave this palace. But your father is protecting her. I wonder his interest.
Papa! Brother! Brother, please, I'm sorry. Papa? Come on. I'm sorry. What is it? Why are you coming up to my house?
There is trouble.
Trouble? How? Say something now.
I came to see you.
Okay.
I don't know what your father did to me. I think he used charm. Then I lost consciousness. I only regained myself inside with him on me. Then he's dead. He died raping me. Your father is dead.
Mama, my father is dead.
I did not kill him. Papa! Choma! I did not kill him! I did not kill him! I did not kill him!
Papa! Hey, my father is dead! Oh. My father is dead! Oh. My father is dead! 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 Papa! Papa! My father is dead! Oh. My father is dead! My father is dead!
Okay, so
The princess has sent her own money. The Lolo has equally sent her own money.
Wow.
What about yours?
Same. The prince has given me the money, and the king also has sent his own.
All right, that's fine. So we're ready to leave.
That's why I'm so happy. I
We're ready
cannot wait
to leave.
Of course, I get married to you. I'm so excited.
So, our days in this house are numbered. We're just going to pack our things, leave, and we'll get married.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Simple as...
Goodness. What in God's name is going on here? Huh? Talking to you. What is going on here?
You think I'm scared of you? Because you're the prince. I should be scared of you. Oh yeah. You saw me kissing her and you got crazy, you got mad. Would you have preferred I kissed your mom? Or kissed your sister?
Richard!
If I don't kiss her, who am I going to kiss?
Have you lost your mind?
No, I haven't lost my mind.
Are you talking to me like that?
Yes. My mind is intact. And yes, I'm talking to you like that.
Ah!
What are you going to do?
Richard!
What is going on? What am I hearing? Eh? Hey! No, this cannot be true. This cannot be true. My good friend, Agu. My friend Agu died like this.
You don't understand. Iche, see what you have done to my father. Oh. See what you have done to my father. I want you. Iche, I want you. That's it. That's it. My father is dead.
Now you're hurting
Iche, my father is dead.
No, it's not my fault. Eh? Did I send him to go and commit suicide? Okay, look at it now.
Iche, I'm ashamed of you.
That is shameful death. I'm ashamed of you too.
I'm ashamed of
What
you.
did I do to you? Did I send Agu to go and retaliate and kill himself? So you don't know that Akarina formed because I did.
My father is dead. My father is dead.
Is it my fault? How is it my fault? Did I send him? To disgrace my daughter. I want me to keep quiet. Hey, my son.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I come to commiserate with you, my brother.
By the time I go inside and come out, if I see you here, if I see you here, I'll deal with you. If I see you here, I'll deal with you. What did I do? Don't worry, wait for me.
Iche, go! He said I want to see you. Naba's here. You better go up. Naba.
Did I send Agu to go and do a bongi on top of a fine girl? Am I the one that sent him? I can't have 1 minute to Kakayaka. He heard that I did. He wanted to go and do. Who, all of you? Chairman, look at that for me.
Go! Company! Shameless man.
Here. Okay.
say you hit my son?
He hit me first, Your Highness.
It's not his fault. Harry hits him now.
It's alright.
But he's
You're leaving this house today.
People should leave this young man alone. He is going nowhere.
Mama,
attacking him.
Are you supporting him?
He's a man.
Are you supporting this fool?
If
You
you
must
hit
leave this
a
house
man, he will hit
today.
you back alone.
You are leaving this
If
house
you hit
today.
a man, he will hit you back.
I'm going to slap you.
He is going nowhere.
Am I seeing conspiracy here?
Good. Your Highness.
That's what it is. No, land Adobe. Now, when you said that he hit you first, did you come to complain to me?
Maureen called me and told me she was sick, that she had a headache, and I told her that she should go get some drugs. This guy saw us talking, and he came and slapped me.
If he slapped you, why didn't you complain to me? Why didn't you come to me?
If people should leave this young man alone. I don't know why.
What's this? I supporting him.
We never said.
You must leave that today.
But you hit him now. He's a man. Will you stop that?
Highness.
He's going nowhere.
He's leaving this house today.
I said he's going nowhere. Daddy, it's not his fault, eh? Harry hit him first. It's not his fault.
I can see.
See, he hurt him. See blood now.
See what he did to me. See what you did to me.
Can you okay? Are you okay?
Come.
Oh, you see you, stupid girl. That is why you can't be a Fabi. Okwagi, you get her laptop.
Hey, look at you. You're already frustrated. I know your problem. Your problem is that you're too ugly. And no one looks at you. That is why you want to bring your frustration on me. I will beat you blue, black, green, yellow, purple.
Okay.
On top of it, something is definitely wrong with your head.
You see you. Eh?
Yes.
You see you. You will see what you've done to yourself.
You will also see what you've done to yourself in this palace.
I pray they sack both of you.
Jealousy! Jealousy will kill you.
Maureen, whatever it is they call. This will be the last time I will ever warn you. You hear me?
What do we call this? I mean, what's the meaning of this nonsense? Eh? Because you're a princess, you think you can talk to anybody anyhow? Hey, don't try that with me. Oh. Don't try it with me. If you try it there, I will eat you raw. Don't try them.
Are you talking to me that way?
Are you daft? Come on, get out of my sight. Are you mad? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Eh? Princess, whatever you are in your shoes, in fact, don't even try me. What's that now? You want to raise your hand against me? You're jealous? You're jealous because everything is in my favor. But let me tell you something. If you want me to stop having anything to do with Richard, get your father and your brother ready. Hey. Something is definitely wrong with your head. Nonsense.
Okay, shh.
I will kill her. I will kill this bitch. Kill her. Come and kill her. Oh, mama. Come and kill this.
Hey! Huh? You said what? Hey!
Yes. The only thing I remembered was when he brought out something. He brought out something like a charm.
Charm?
Yes. And touched me with it. Then I forgot everything. I couldn't remember anything again until he was done with me.
That man is very evil. That man is so evil. Eh? And he should die again.
You see, what my own father has caused me. He brought this shame upon me. My father.
You should have gone and destroyed your father's house. Instead of touching.
The former. Ify, my daughter, I am sorry. I caused this whole thing.
Let this be the first and last time you call me your daughter. I am not your daughter. If you call me your daughter again, you will not like what I will do to you.
You see what you have caused. You see what you have caused. This is not good though. Huh? Okay, now that was stubborn. And Ejigi that time. And Ejigi, see what you have caused to your daughter now. The man has retaliated on your daughter. What is all this? You're chasing me away. No problem, I will go.
Jude, I am sorry. See, right now, you people have my blessings. You can carry on with your love.
Please keep your blessing. Which kind of blessing is this? Old man's blood blessing. Eh? After you have given the blessing to an old man, I cannot share my portion of land with an old man's blood. No, he will put, I will put.
Cashew.
He's dead.
Let him die again, no?
Please, don't leave me.
Who is your Cashew? Please. Don't call me your Cashew now. Eh? I'm not Cashew now. Let me be your Ogiri now. Or better still, Roman currency. Possibly, bitter cola. Don't Cashew me or mango me.
Come back.
My love.
Don't love me.
Let us settle this matter.
No.
My kidney.
Calm down.
Hold it. Do not say a word. You see that young man walking out of that gate? If I lose him, I promise you, I will kill you. It is a promise from me to you. I will kill you.
No.
Useless man.
You cannot kill your father. I'm a very good father. Sorry. So I can no longer come into my house again, eh? I cannot go into my house. Hey, it's a word. Wow. If it is your father, oh. If it is your father, your lovely father.
She's done working here, Mom. She's done. How dare you? How dare you push my daughter? I will not waste time to throw you out of this place. Is that what you're here for? Have you gone out of your mind?
I didn't push her.
You did.
Don't touch me that nonsense again.
Oh, and what will you do? And what will you do?
I feel like
What's this now? You want to kill her? You look at somebody's daughter. Let me talk to them, oh. Huh?
Lolo, what has this girl done to you? What?
Didn't you hear what she did?
Is that why you want to kill her? What has she done?
I'm going to kill her myself, Dad.
Do no such thing. Come on, keep quiet. Huh? That's the one them, oh. If you don't want it, they will kill somebody's daughter. Huh? What is it? How did they not enjoy you? Huh?
Help me down, beating me.
Don't worry, it's alright. You just go to your room and go and rest. Huh?
What?
Go to your room and rest.
You dare disrespect me? And you, if you move an inch, I will skin you alive. What rubbish?
I'm waiting.
Come back here. See?
No, what is it?
You see what that is what it is, Dad? You see what I mean?
Little girl alone.
What? You mean this? Let's go.
That man tested my girlfriend. That old man chopped my girlfriend.
Hey!
Had the mind to climb her.
Hey!
Eh?
Hey! Judesco, chai. This is too bad. This is outrageous. Hey, Judesco, what are you going to do now?
I heard that they saw manpower. The man went to get manpower.
What?
An old man like that is close to his 1 foot close to his grave.
Hey!
Went to get manpower so that he will get energy
to climb mountain
to finish my girlfriend. Eh? As big as she is, it could even be the weight of my girlfriend that tipped the man on the bed.
Obviously, Judex.
And a shaking man like him went to go to finish my girlfriend. Hi, I will not take this. The girl that went anywhere, he's dead, and he let him die again. Eh? If I have address of Hellfire, I'll go there. Give them a drag to flog him away. Rubbish man.
But Jude, seriously, I feel for your girl, and I feel for you too.
You feel for me too?
Oh yes.
No, they get it.
See,
and I'm on apa.
Now, Jude, the question is, what are you going to do now?
How? I no longer have business there. I've told her it's over. Let her follow the man. No. I cannot cultivate in the land that old man has deposited his blood. Me, young man like me, will come there and be... No.
You finishing up?
No, I cannot finish up.
No, you, that reminds me. There is problem in the palace. Serious one. See. The prince and the chef has been fighting.
Yeah.
And not only that, the princess and the maid too. In fact, there's commotion now inside palace.
What is it? Can you Prince Ifrebe this thing?
Ma'am.
Eh? Is he? I don't understand. You should leave him. But where? That is their business. They should carry their dead body. Let me carry my dead body. Yes. If Igwe like, let Igwe be fighting you. Let Princess be fighting with the queen.
But Jude, I'm your man now.
No, you people should go ahead and kill yourselves. I'm more concentrating on my girlfriend now.
Really?
Yeah, what happened? Because the thing is coming to my head. Every time I will be imagining, before I came back here, I was imagining it. I nearly entered gutter, where I was thinking. Do you know I was thinking how this man could be on top of my girlfriend? Eh? The way my girlfriend and
seriously, Judy.
The man, which is as black as charcoal.
It can be so painful imagining such things.
Do you know, I saw my girlfriend, I could not even recognize her again.
Really?
The man used his color to stain her.
Jude, you fall my hand. You fall my hand. Guy, you fall my hand.
I'm no longer interested.
This thing really shocked you.
It shocked me the way it shocked you.
Hey!
Do you know that every day I was imagining it. When she was even telling me, I was imagining how the man would be on top of her.
And now you didn't know that she has started giving me to all cargo. Hey!
Igwe, I will not take this anymore. I don't know why you both are supporting that girl. She is leaving my house today. Else, I will leave tomorrow.
Yes, she must leave for insulting Mom and I. Or else I will kill her myself.
Come on, shut up, your man. I'll kill her myself. Huh? Why didn't you kill her when she was fighting you outside? Huh? No, come to think of it. Is that boy your husband? Is he your brother? Why are you so angry that she kissed him? Huh?
You, why are you angry at Richard? No, tell us, please. We would like to know the story. Tell us, why are you angry at Richard? There's a story you need to tell us. Please, tell us, why? Tell us the story. Why are you angry at him?
I said enough of this nonsense here. And you, Lord, why do you hate that girl? What has she done to you? Why wouldn't you allow her rest? Eh? Anyway, for that boy, he will leave here tomorrow morning. And from tomorrow morning, you people will know that I am the commander-in-chief of this palace. If you have not known, I will make you to know that from tomorrow.
Igwe has spoken. It's final.
Okay. We shall see. He is not going anywhere.
Exactly. Nobody leaves.
Yes. Even when Igwe has spoken.
Don't mind them. And stop worrying yourself. I will let them know that I'm the commander-in-chief of this palace. That they have not known.
Listen, you did very well. Let them do what they like. We're done here.
I don't even care. Nonsense. I've even packed my bags. After all, I've gotten enough money from him.
We're done here. Listen, I think we should set a trap for them before we leave.
What could that be?
I'm suspecting Lolo or the princess. Either way, listen, I need you to record, alright? But you have to go into the bathroom.
Okay.
Wait. Let's just record us, right?
Wait.
Come in.
I am so sorry.
I'm leaving your house for you.
My dear, I said I am sorry, okay? Once you go, I'll make an arrangement for an apartment in town.
I don't care.
Please, darling. We should have planned before coming here. My bad. Please, honey. I said I am sorry, my baby. Sweetie, please, darling. I'm sorry. Okay? I'll make it up to you. I promise. Calm down. Now come give me a kiss. let me know that you have forgiven me. Okay?
Will you stop that? Yes, stop that nonsense. Rubbish. What? So this is it, right? This is it. I'm talking to you, this woman. Mama, this is it. What are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here? Exactly what you came here to do. That's what I'm doing. Can you stop recording and let me talk? Don't tell me that. What do you mean I should stop recording? Of course I captured it. Oh, so this is why you wanted me to leave the palace.
Capture? Oh, okay, Mommy, please just calm down, okay? Let's talk about this.
Talk about what? What are you doing in this room?
Okay, let me have the phone first.
Did you buy phone for me? Did you buy phone for me?
Who you they look for?
I'm here to see Prince Harry.
Prince Harry?
Yeah.
You get appointment with him?
Meaning what? I came here to see Prince Harry. Is he in?
Call him for phone because I no go allow you see him.
What rubbish is that? Do you know who I am?
Come on, go and get me the prince.
What is going on there?
She said she wants to see the prince.
Young lady, come. Good day. You. I know this face. Yes, my princess. I was here some time ago looking for a job. Oh, yeah, that's true. But what are you doing here? We're not hiring. My princess, I did not come in search for work. I came to see the prince. You know, I have been calling him and he's not returning my calls or my messages. So I came to see him myself. The prince? The prince. What business do you have with the prince? I am pregnant for the prince. Yes, like, I'm pregnant for the prince, so I came to see him. You liar. The prince could never get you pregnant. Never. Not in this lifetime. You're a cheat, and I know people like you. Get out! Excuse me. Remove this thing from this place. Remove her from this place. Don't touch me. What?
I'll package you now. Move of it. No, I'll package you. Go on. Yeah, move.
What is it?
One girl just came to the gate and said that the prince got her pregnant.
Where is the girl?
I sent her away.
It's good you sent her
Mom
away.
needs to hear this. Where is Mom? Where is she? Is she in her room?
She is not in her room. I don't know where she is. But where is the girl?
Mom, you should hear this. Some girl just came to the gate and said that Prince impregnated her.
Ada, please. I don't want to hear anything. Allow your brother to do whatever he wants to do. And let him take whatever that comes. Please, I need to be left alone.
That girl must be mad. It's good you sent her away. Now, go and call me Happy. No. Why are you like this?
Even please, just let me be. I want to be left alone.
So, I have been able to raise 2 million naira.
2 million.
What?
2 million. 2 million is too small. I mean, you can't use 2 million to start a new life in another country.
Really?
I mean, not for someone like me because I'm used to managing my life. But you know you're used to the good life. You're used to so much comfort, luxury.
That's true.
Of royalty, so. But I mean, it's, I feel like it's small.
Not to worry. Just be ready.
once I'm able to lay my hands on more money from the company's accounts, we leave. Okay?
I'll wait for you.
Okay. Make kiss.
Hey, wait. You have to be very careful. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please take care of yourself for me.
Nothing will happen to me. Just be ready. Okay?
I'm always ready.
We're leaving soon. Get ready.
I'll be ready.
Another kiss. Good night.
Leave me, please.
Jude, please don't do this to me, please.
I have done it, I have already done it. It's over. I cannot mix my blood, my young blood, with old man's blood. Never. I will not do it. Please. It's over between us.
But you know it's not my fault. I came back to this village to be with you. And that is because of the love I have for you. You know, if I had not come back, I wouldn't have fallen into this temptation. Please, what wrong did I do?
You shouldn't have come back. You shouldn't. Please, visit hospital. Visit hospital or every clinic. Go and visit hospital. Because you don't know. That man, don't underrate that man. You might be seeing him as old man. Before you know it, he will deposit inside. You never can tell. If you get pregnant, don't call me. Bye-bye.
Jude, please don't leave me. Jude, are you telling me? You said I should not have come back. But you were happy when I came back. Jude, this is not fair. This is not fair. You know I love you, Jude. I love you. Jude, please don't do this to me. Please. Oh!
Yeah, officer, can I help you?
Are you Presari?
Yes, I am.
Officer, arrest him now.
Officer, don't worry. I know her. We'll settle this outside the station, okay?
Oh.
Don't worry.
Oh, you want to settle now, eh? See, officer, we are not settling anything. Arrest this man. He got me pregnant. Now.
Hey, quiet! Who let you people inside my compound?
Father,
Harry, what is going on here?
Father, they came to arrest me.
Arrest you?
Yes.
Who gave the arrest order?
Your Highness, we apologize. We have an order to arrest Prince Harry.
Now, people should leave this compound now. Go back to your station. I am coming to see your DPO.
Officer, let's go.
Eh?
Madam, let's go. I say let's go.
Arrest this man.
I said get out of my compound. Are you a fool?
Let's go. Officer, let's go.
Eh, Harry, because you are the Igwe's son, Abi, you will hear from me. Officer!
You can get her back and lock her up in this compound. Can you imagine? Harry, it seems you want to go out.
Yes, Father.
You can go wherever you want to go. Nonsense. How dare you barge into my compound to come and arrest my prince? On whose order? Guard, next time, make sure you know the type of people you open this gate for. Nonsense.
I'm going to miss you for now.
Oh, I mean, that's a good idea. I mean, to keep you away from trouble.
But always remember that I love you, okay?
I know that.
I can't give Mama a hug.
Mom! How could you? Harrison, how could you? All your life, you do nothing than to bring shame to this family. You are so bent in dragging the name of this family to the mall. Why, Harrison? Why? I ask you why? Eh? Answer me!
I'm sorry.
Harrison, keep your sorry to yourself. I don't need it. How many times will you be saying sorry? Now, go and take care of that lady that you impregnated. Go! I said, if I were you, I should be hiding my face in shame. You are not even afraid that you will contact a deadly disease by sleeping around with different girls without protection. Eh? Harrison, how many women or girls that you will impregnate in this kingdom before you will learn your lessons? Tell me, Harrison. Tell me!
Father, please forgive me. It will not repeat itself again. But Father, at the same time, it's not my fault that I'm a handsome prince. Huh? Anywhere I go, all the girls, they want to lick me like lollipop. This handsome prince, they will be throwing themselves at me, rushing me. It is even because I'm disciplined that I'm not giving everybody bele. Just that I just try everything possible not to disappoint my family.
Let me remind you, Harrison, when I was at your age, you are not more handsome than me. And I was well behaved. Harrison, what you lack is self-control. Self-control is what you are lacking. Self-control you don't have. And I'm advising you from this time, go and buy one for yourself.
Daddy,
Go!
I'm not going to take this. I will not take this. I will not take it.
Adobe, what is it?
This cannot happen to me. I cannot take this.
What is it that you're not going to take?
This cannot happen to me. This cannot happen to me.
Choma, you're happy now, Abi. See what your action has cost us. We lost Papa. What a shameful death. Now you are happy Papa is dead, Abi. Choma, you are happy, Abi.
Brother, please, I'm sorry. I was deceived.
What do you mean you were deceived? Are you a baby? Choma, you were a child. What do you mean you were deceived? You were a baby. Can you imagine kind of shameless information that is going around the village? Seeing you are deceived.
Because, see, I told Papa to forgive me, but he refused. He said he wants to get back to Iche Utika, so Papa went to go and take manpower.
What will I even tell my friends that killed my father? What will I even write on the obituary paper? That my father died on top of a woman or manpower? No wonder. He even told me this thing that he was going to get back to Iche. I didn't even know he was thinking of taking manpower. My God, this thing is getting to me. Oh, village. I cannot walk in this village without covering my face. What kind of don't beg me? If you beg me, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Lolo, is it true?
Igwe, it's not true. Mom, don't deny it. Tell the truth. Richard, you have to give me back my money now.
Which one is that?
Excuse me, what money are you talking about?
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Dad, I used your phone to transfer money to this fool. He promised to love me.
No.
He promised you're going to elope and get married.
No.
Only for me to find out that he's dating Maureen and
No,
Mom.
no, you sent me money to pay the laundry man.
Liar! Only for me to find find out he's sleeping with Maureen and Lolo.
Igwe, that's a lie.
Lolo, you lied to me? Harry, Father, get me my phone. Let me call in the police right now.
No, my king, you can't do that. You dare not arrest him. Yes, because wherever he's going, I am going with him. He is mine.
What did you say?
You heard me. He is mine. And wherever he goes, I go with him.
Then you have to give him my money.
What stupid money?
I cannot spend that amount of money on you without you loving him back.
Are you not stupid? What? Did I do business with you? Did I? Did I not tell you that I do not want to have anything whatsoever to do with you? I do not want to date you. You were stupidly lavishing your money on me. What? Hey, please. You don't expect me to be dating a father and a son at the same time.
What did you say?
I was sleeping with your husband. I have been sleeping with your husband. Are you going to deny it?
Maureen, you deceived me and collected my money.
We have been doing this for so many years. Likewise, Richie and Lolo. Let me bring everything out. Let everybody see it. Yes, I've been having an affair with your husband for so many years. And don't look at your husband though, because you've also been having an affair with Richie here.
No, mine
yes.
Is different.
No, there's no difference there.
You clearly have the wrong information. You see, we had a business deal.
There's no business deal,
the Queen and I had a business deal. So it's
then,
not really what you think it is.
That I'm telling everybody the truth. Let everyone see it. Let it come out.
So, Father, you were having an affair with her too.
Will you shut up? Close your dirty mouth. I am the king of this domain. I can marry as many wives as I want. What is your problem? And you used my phone to transfer money to this idiot.
To pay the laundry.
Ask about Lolo, you are a disappointment. I will talk to you later. Nonsense.
Just...
Hey! So, Richie, after everything I've done for you, you can do this to me?
Nisi, you need to tell your children the truth. We both had a business deal.
See.
It was a transaction we both had.
No problem, we shall see.
So that they can understand. Don't make them feel like I did something wrong. I didn't do anything.
We shall see.
You're letting them leave? We will not leave. This children are gone. We will not leave.
The secret relationship going on.
The wind has blown.
What is this private lifestyle in the road?
Really? Are you kidding me?
Everybody.
Hugging in a member.
All dating.
Hugging in a member.
No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Give me Ghana so. Abugeni kanazo Gini kanazo Abugeni kanazo Everybody is lost. Naneme, naneme. Okwa miri maboni sino Kedisi kandida yaya dizio. Oi, everybody is a suspect and everybody is the offender. The question is what's going on? What's going on? Oi, what is the secret relationship going on? Hey, what is this private lifestyle in the royal home? Everybody's playing a dating game. No one to be believed. They are living a crazy life in the royal house. Gini Ghana so. Hey, Abu Gini Ghana so. Gini Ghana so. Ogene kana zano